This is Nature cereal, and I think this is probably the best one I've ever seen. So first you're gonna take a cacao pod and then scoop some beans into the bowl, add some tree tomato, yellow dragon fruit. This is such a sweet fruit, adds such good flavor. This is star apple, also known as kaimito or milk fruit, and it adds such a beautiful purple color. Next we're adding watermelon guava. The texture is similar to watermelon, but it's not related to watermelon. Next we have kumquats, which adds such an amazing flavor. Then we have a Gros Michel banana, which is actually what banana candy was modeled after, but it's no longer available in most grocery stores. And then we have passion fruit, and I added some key limes and just squirted the key lime juice. Next I'm opening a fresh coconut, you know how we do in the tropics, and pouring that all over the fruit. I don't know if it was just because I had awesome fruit, but this is actually super delicious, and I highly recommend that you guys try this out. I was super impressed with the flavor. You can get this fruit at Miami Fruit